Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we're installing our Gatorback rear mud flaps on a 2018 Ford Transit. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. And better yet, the Gatorback flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, remove the two push pins located on the inner wheel well. Next, install two U-clips onto the metal body behind the fender flare as shown. When installing the clips, make sure to line up the hole on the clip with the factory holes on the fender liner. Finally, place a third U-clip on the bottom of the metal frame as shown. Next, we will install the mudflap brace. Place a number 10 bolt and washer through the back of the mudflap as shown. Then place the brace in position on the front of the flap. Once in place, secure the brace with an aluminum washer, lock washer, and nut. Repeat this process for the second hole of the bracket to finish loosely installing the brace. Next, take the custom serrated clamp and place it on the mudflap, ensuring that the metal tab is placed through the appropriate slot on the flap as shown. Then, with the supplied stainless steel bolt and washer, loosely secure the clamp in place. Next, loosely install the flap using two large stainless steel washers and two stainless steel screws. With the flap now loosely in place, make sure that the clamp fully grabs a hold of the fender flare as shown. Once properly in place, secure the clamp. Next, using the stainless steel washer and screw, loosely secure the metal brace to the U-nut we installed on the bottom of the body earlier. Once loosely installed, pull your mud flap into the wheel well and tighten the brace to secure it in place. With a square or level, make sure the mud flap is aligned to the vehicle. We also recommend you take a step back to visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Now, securely tighten all bolts and screws. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flap kit. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.